Hello and welcome to the world of Craig. Now that is some seriously shiny, blended, soft ombre hair. Take a breath, Craig. Keep on watching if you'd like to find out how I created this look using minimal highlighting and permanent hair color. Marine's starting point is gorgeous. She has incredible hair with some existing highlights that are a few years old. We want to lift those up, but not taking them right to the root. First up, as I do with all my chemical service clients, I spray Marine's hair lightly with water and then go in with K18 Pre-Treat Molecular Mist. For the lights, I'm using Pravana Chromasilk Permanent Hair Color 10N and 8N. Now the N series is slightly cool and I use these with 30 Volume Developer. Let's have another look at Marine's Dreamy Canvas. Now she's a natural level 6 and I'm using 8N and 10N at a 1:1 ratio with 30 volume, which will take us to around a level 9. Yes, your eyes are not deceiving you. That's an extra wide foil with a dog on it, the lovely Stella. I will list everything I've used in this video in the description box down below. Marine wanted a sun-kissed, refreshed result, but one with minimal upkeep. So I'm starting at the crown here with a wide section that's about 1/4 of an inch deep. I backcombed it twice, starting at the center of the section up towards the crown. I take a very, very wide weave and I apply the color to the section and fold it in the foil, avoiding the area with the backcombing. As we wanted the result to be supernatural, a certain amount of this application is just about freestyling, seeing where the hair is lightest on the ends and moving that colour up towards the mid-lengths. As you can see, this is almost a single piece here, there's no weaving in it at all, but because the root is backcombed a couple of times, it will blend when it's all lifted. Onto my next section, and again, a very deep, very wide section. I've backcombed it again twice at the root, and I've taken a really deep weave. This is to give us as much blending as possible in our finished result. Last foil in the back and it's a finer weave for that blend. Moving on to the front, and as I do with all my highlighting or low lighting for that matter, I'm working back from the face. I find this gives a much more natural result and is perfect for when the client wears their hair in a ponytail. All of the foils are in now and you can see I backcombed all of them at the root several times, and this is such a minimal application with only about 15 foils altogether. We process for the full development time, which is 45 minutes, as I always would with any permanent hair colour. Then we rinsed, shampooed, towel dried and applied Pravana's Express toners. I used a mix of clear and pearl at 3 parts clear and 1 part pearl. We processed that for 20 minutes before rinsing, shampooing again, towel drying and finishing off with K18 leave-in mask before we styled and finished the hair. Oh my goodness, how shiny and sun-kissed is Marine's result. A huge thank you for watching this video, and as always, if you've enjoyed it and found it helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you could give it a like. If you want to see more of what's coming on my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell so you get notified when I post videos here on my channel. Phew. There's loads more on my Instagram, which is on screen now. Goodness me, look at that hair. But that's all for this time. I'll leave you the result and I'll see you in the next one.